Names of some common items you will see at home in Igbo language. In Igbo language, oburokwa Igbo or Igbo, it is Igbo language. Let's get started. Scissors, mpa, mpa. Razor, blade. Aguba, aguba. Hand fan, hand fan. Akupe, akupe. Chair, oche, oche. Broom, aziza, aziza. Mat, ute, ute. Umbrella, nche mmiri, nche mmiri. Say it after me. Nche mmiri. Good. Belt, aji, aji or eriri ukwu, eriri ukwu. Soap, ncha, ncha. Shoe, akpụkpọ ụkwụ, akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Cap, okpu, okpu. Bed, akwa, akwa. Bag, akpa, akpa. Chain, ịga, ịga. Mirror, enyo, enyo, or you call it ugegbe, ugegbe. Comb, mvo, mvo or nha isi, mvo or nha isi. Cream, ude, ude. Key, igodo, igodo, igodo. See you guys in my next class. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.